If your Nintendo Switch microphone isn't working, don't worry. It's a common issue and often easy to fix. Whether you're having trouble in voice chats or games, I'll walk you through some quick fixes you can try right now. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your headphone jack. So, let's say you dock your Switch to TV and you have wired headphones. Most headphones come with built-in microphone support, but if you want to enjoy your games from a couch or your bed, you usually need to buy extension cables. Basically elongate your headphone wires. But many of you may not know that, but those extension cables usually don't support microphones. So how do you check? Well, just look at the headphone jack of the extension cable and ensure that the jack has 3 extension rings. These extension rings you see over here working, giving you the audio support. 2 rings mean your cable support both ear audio. 3 rings means that it also supports a microphone. So, when you buy your headphones or extension cables, make sure that your headphone jack has these 3 rings on them. Well, in any case, people will face different kinds of microphone problems, so let's move on to the video to try out 2 other effective fixes for your problem. Solution 2. Restart your Switch. Sometimes a quick restart fixes temporary glitches. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. When the menu shows up, choose Power Options. Select Restart from the menu. After rebooting, test your microphone again. Solution 3. Update your system. Go to System Settings from your home screen. Scroll down to System. Choose System Update. Make sure your Switch software is up to date. Updates can fix bugs related to hardware. If none of these fixes work, the issue might be hardware related, and you may need to contact Nintendo support or visit a repair shop. Hope this helped, and if you have any more questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.